Uh, I am going to implement linear regression in a very simple way. I hope you like this video and you understand in very simple way. Firstly, I have imported libraries seaborn as SNMP from SQL report, mean squared error and mean absolute error. First I downloaded data from Iris, run it and check the data. So this is the data. You know, this is there are 6 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column. This is actually ID. So actually we will take only 2 column from this data. Here are the 150 rows and 5 column. So I will take only 2 column, name, petal length and petal width. Then I execute this command. So I have separated 2 column. You can see now 150 rows and 2 columns are here. Then I shifted these columns in X and Y variable because we need to train the model. We need to prepare data for that purpose. So first I want to check what kind of data I have. So I import necessary libraries for plot. You can see this code. Then I have executed. So this is my data. This is the X and this is a Y. X is a petal length and Y is a petal width. On the basis of a petal length, I will predict petal width. First I will train the model, then I will predict from my test data. Okay, so let's see. So I imported the library. There is a xtrain, xtest and ytest. 4 variables I have defined. I have separated data in 4 variables for testing purpose and training purpose. X and Y test size is 70%. 0.7 means 70% I am using for training purpose, and 30% I will use for testing purpose. Random statement, it will take random data. You can check xtrain. This is the value I have saved here. Execute it. So these are the values. It has been taken randomly. Okay. Now I will because I will convert it to 2 dimension. This is a single dimension array. I will make it 2 dimension because this is the requirement of the linear regression model. So I have changed in 2 dimension xtest and xtest reshape. This is the training data 80% and this is the 30% data. Both are reshape. So you can check it. So I can check it here. Check x underscore test. So this is the 2 dimension array now. So this is now 2 dimension array. I have changed it. So move on. Then I have imported necessary libraries, linear regression, ifit, xtrain and ytrain. If I want to check the intercept of the value of m, so this is the value of m. So I have D to execute it. First this line executed, second line executed, then executed. Now this is the value of m. M is a slope. I I see is an intercept. So I don't do it. Now I have trained my model. So let's check. Let's predict. So X prediction. This is my variable in which I will save my training predictions. LR, this is object, and this is the function X train. The data will be passed here, and the result will come in this data type, in this data. So I want to check this. It has been calculated by the prediction. So now check. Here I draw the plot. You can see this is actual value, and this is my prediction. So it is very close. So now, so I want to test this model from my test data, and this model never seen the test data. I will apply the test data, then we can see how the model is performing. Now this is a test. LR, this X 20% data, 30% data, which this model never has been seen before. So I predicted it, I test it. So these are the results, and now I can plot it. So this is the plot, this is the prediction. This has been done by the model on new data. So I want to calculate the error, how much error is, because I have so little data. If I increase the data, the model will perform very well. I hope you like this. I will copy this code in description box of the YouTube channel. You can copy it and execute it in your own way. Thank you for watching.